Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and today I'm going to be doing a kind of like alternative style inspired makeup look using the Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette again. So I'm just going to get started now. So I'm just going to go in with my NYX Bear With Me primer and just get a kind of chunk on my finger, mix it in and then just rub it into my skin. I'm just going to put 2 pumps on. I'm going to start with the middle of my face and blend the foundation outward. And for concealer, I'm just going to go in with this Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in the shade C.3 and just put a little there. And just where I've got any kind of blemishes or that just now. And I'm just going to blend that in using the same foundation brush. Before I set any of my makeup, I'm just going to go in with my KVD Vegan Beauty Shade and Light palette and go in with the lightest contour shade here and just contour my cheeks. I'm just going to blend out with this brush here. I'm just rubbing it, or blending it in softly so that I don't take off any of the foundation I've already put on. For blush, I'm going in with this Milk Makeup lip and cheek tint, and this one is in the shade Flare. I'm just going to get a wee bit on my finger and just tap that onto my cheek and tap it in. And then just the same on this side, and I'm just bringing it up my cheekbone a bit as well. And then I'm just going to add a little bit onto the tip of my nose as well. Before I set under my eyes, I'm just going to set my blush and kind of my contour. I'm just going to go straight in with the blush from this Fetish palette by KVD Vegan Beauty, and I'm going to go in with this pink shade Bathory. Just put in the shade on my cheeks and up my cheekbone. And then just kind of blend it in a wee bit. And I'm just going to do the same on this side. And then just some on my nose as well. I'm going to go with the tiniest bit of bronzer actually, just to kind of like get the shape back, but only a really light brush over. And then just some at my jawline and my forehead. And now I'm going to set my under eyes with this Revolution Pro loose powder. And now I'm going to set my under eyes with this Revolution Pro loose powder. I'm just going to press it on to my under eye. And just the same. I'm just going to powder any other bits that are a wee bit oily, like my forehead and above my lip. And I'm just going to go in with my eyes now. So I've done one eye off camera. I'm just going to show you how to do this eye. So for the base, I went in with my Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer, and I'm going to go in with the shade here, Zomer, I think, and just for the crease, I'm just going to kind of put that all over my lid and just bring it out. Well, yeah, and just bring it out like that. And then just kind of put it at the outer corner as well. And then to kind of deepen it, I'm just going to go in with this brown here, Mila, with the same brush, and just kind of put a light wash of that on. I'm just going to go in with my Benefit roller liner and just try to do a really thick eyeliner. So I'm just going to start here and just bring it up like that, and then starting from like the middle of that line, just bring it down to my eyelid, where my lash lines are, and just fill that in just now. And I'm just going to keep comparing it to the eyeliner that I've already done, just to make sure that it's looking even. So now that I've got it like as even as I think I'm going to be able to get it, I'm just going to add a little line coming out the inner corner. So I just put it kind of like right in there, and then just pull it out and then try and connect it to the lash line. So for my under eye, obviously the under eye is the main focus of this look, so I'm going to go in with my NYX waterline eye pencil in the shade Esmeralda. So it's just this kind of like dark green, and I'm just gonna put some in my waterline. And then just right at my lash line. It doesn't need to be too neat as well, because it's just going to get blended out. So to blend it out a wee bit, I'm going to go in with this. Oops. I'm going to go in with this brush here and the shade Ooh here. Oops. And just get some on my brush and just try and smoke that out a wee bit. To like fan that out just a wee bit more, I'm just going to get this more fluffy brush and just kind of blend it out a little bit so it fades. A bit more. And then just bring it up towards the eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm going in first with the Go Big or Go Home by KVD Vegan Beauty. And I'm just gonna make sure all my lashes are black so you can't see them like through the eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go with my bottom lashes and I'm gonna try and make them really thick and dark. And just to make my bottom lashes a wee bit thicker, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Lash Sensational. And just go over my bottom lashes. Okay. So I'm just going to go off camera and add my TL Jamie 2s. And then I'll be back to do my highlighter and my lips. So I've got my lashes on and I'm just going to go in with my lips. So I'm using this MAC lip pencil in the shade Soar. And I'm just going to like round off my cupid's bow. And bring my lips in just a bit before they actually end. And then just overline the bottom ones a little bit and just kind of bring them in where I've brought in the top lips. And I'm just gonna blend in the colour a wee bit. And I'm going to go in with this Revolution Pro Nude lipstick in the shade Naked Beauty and just put that like on the inside of my lips. And just blend it, like just bring it in like that. Using this concealer brush, I'm just going to sharpen the edges of my lips. So I'm just putting it there and then blending it in. just going to do the same on this side. And like, so see how I've made like a little mistake here. I've put the concealer toothing it. I'm just going to go back in with my liner and just fix that. And for highlighter, I'm going in with this Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials collab, and I'm going in with the shade Glazed Donut. And I'm just putting that, oops. I'm just putting that at the highest point of my cheek, over my blush, and just bring it up a bit. And I'm going to do the same on this side. And then just some on the tip of my nose and the very top of the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead. And to set my makeup, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, the pollution protection one. And yeah, that's my like alt kind of inspired makeup look. It's really simple as well, and it kind of mostly just focuses on the under eye. But I think it's really cute. Like, I really liked the blush on it. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, that would really help. And I'd really appreciate that as well. And all my social medias and things are linked down below as per usual. This month I'm going to be trying to upload twice a week, so hopefully that'll work. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.